guys. This is my first time vlogging since I came home from the hospital. I had this whole plan of vlogging like our first day at home, our first 24 hours with the baby at home, like all this stuff, but it's such a big adjustment, like having to adjust to being a new mom and then putting the camera up. It's just, it was just too much. So I now have a 1-month-old baby. I cannot believe a month went by that fast. And I am getting back into the groove of working. So yeah, this is where I am today. This is why I'm vlogging today. I decided to, you know, if I'd ever start at some point, I'm never gonna start back. So what better way to start back vlogging than a full day of work? So I have 2 shoots today. And then I'm hoping to open up my calendar for October. I think she's waking up. Hold on. Alright, I'm back. She woke up, had to change her diaper, had to breastfeed her, had to put her back to sleep. Anyways, said all that to say, I'm back. We're vlogging. About to hop in the shower. Gonna try to pump again before I leave. I already ate breakfast, but I'll probably make a smoothie on my way out. Here's to a new day. Monday. Back home pumping milk because I'm a milk monster. Milk factory. Cow. I might take a nap. Ray, you want to take a nap together? You hungry, you hungry, you hungry. You hungry, 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 hungry. Okay. Okay. It's coming, mama. It's coming, mama. It's coming, mama. It's coming, mama. Did I get all your boogers out? It's coming. It's coming, mama. It's coming. That's not a nipple. That's not a nipple. That's not a nipple. Let's go. We got the milk. We got the good stuff. Here you go. Let's see what this coffee tastes like. I'm not really a coffee drinker, but you know, things change when you become a mom. It's pretty nasty, pretty nasty. I think I need some sugar. Yeah, let's go get some sugar. Alright, so hopefully this tastes better. Okay. Still not good, but I can drink it. I don't even know how I'm awake right now. Ray literally woke us up every hour and a half. So, I'm about to pump. My left boob be playing games. So, I'm gonna start with that one first. It's weird. My left boob, like when I pump, barely anything comes out. But when I put the haka on it, it be like 3-4 ounces coming in through the haka, right? My right boob, when I pump, be making all the milk, like 4 or 5 ounces every time. But when I put the haka on the right one, nothing comes out. So maybe haka on the left, pump on the right. If that's my life, that's my life. So I'm about to pump, and then I pretty much am done editing. Oh, you can't see my nipple. Great. I'm pretty much done editing my photos that I took. So I just need to send them off. And I'm done with work stuff for the week until Friday. I'm easing myself back into work. So I kind of just like, before I left work, I started a new pricing structure where I have like VIP retainer clients. And so those are the clients that I contacted first when I was ready to start working again. So right now I'm only shooting 2 of the 4 VIP clients because I wanted to ease my way back in. I didn't want to hit them all up at once because these clients in particular shoot consistently. Like, I have 2 that shoot every week, 1 that shoots every other week, and then 1 that flies in from another state to shoot. So I didn't want to hit them all up. So I just hit up the 2 that I know shoot every week. How much juice I got left? Okay. I need to clean off my desk this morning. Alright, let's get this party started. What time is it? Oh, my watch. Oh, I took it off. It is too many devices. 7. It's too many devices around here to not know the time. Alright. So I got a pumping bra, but like I think I got it too big, number 1. But number 2, it's like kind of expensive. It was like $30. And I pump a lot, so like that one bra is not gonna be enough. But I also don't feel like buying a whole bunch of pumping bras when I have nursing bras. So I've been using this little hack where you like unhook your nursing bra and then wrap it around and then hook it back, and it's supposed to hold the pump. It kind of worked, but it kind of don't work, but it worked good enough for me to not buy another one of them damn bras. But yeah, so about to edit. Probably gonna be up for another hour, and then I'll probably fall asleep on the floor in here because she's in the snoo. We are currently, the snoo is being rented for us as a gift. It was one of my baby shower, not baby shower, but one of my gifts for the baby. Somebody, one of my clients decided to rent it for us. She was gonna buy it, but I was like, please don't buy it, because what if she don't like it and then you've spent all this money on this thing. So I preferred her to rent it. So last month we tried the snoo in our room. I didn't like it. Robert didn't like it. I was ready to give up on the snoo. So we put it back in here, this is the office slash nursery. Once we get the nursery portion together. But we put it in here because this room needs some type of bed, so we just put it in here. So these last 2 days I have been putting her in the snoo, and it seems to be working because she sleeps. So maybe I don't like it for our room at night when she's with us, but maybe in here it'll be fine. But yeah, I'm gonna stop talking now because it's taking all my energy, and I'm about to work. So my work is done. It is 8:18. I'm waiting for some photos to upload so I can send them to my client. But I've been up since 4:50. I'm about to fall asleep right here on this floor because she's in the snoo. And yeah, back to sleep.